Right, this is going to be the final lesson in this one. And what we're going to do in this one is we're going to set a timer. So you've only got a very limited amount of time to shoot all them parrots in. And if you don't shoot all the parrots in, the game will stop. Alright? So I'm just going to press it was A, wasn't it? Oh, let's come back on here. A, brought all my parrots back. And oh, anyway, just need to put that back there. Talk amongst yourselves whilst I witter on. So yes, we want what do we want? A timer. That's right. Fantastic. So I'm going to do this now. Now the timer itself could be attached to any of these. I think I'll put it on the stage because I've got a bit of on the stage. I've got no scripts and no commands, so I think I'll pop it there just so we've got a bit of grey space really. I'm going to make a variable. I'm already there. I was lucky. I'm going to make another variable, which I'm not going to call it time because you see. People, when you go for timer, I think it's under sensing here, you actually have this thing called a timer, which basically is just like it just keeps running. It doesn't really do anything, to be honest with you. So I don't want to use the word timer, even though, because it's like a name they're already using. So I'm going to call it clock. I think that'll do. So I'm going to make this variable clock. Let's go back to variables. Fantastic. So what I want to do is that we want to display the clock, so that appears there. Now, how long shall we give people to play the game? I'm thinking you've got to shoot all them parrots, you've got 10 seconds. Okay, so we're going to say, oh, don't I'm running it. We want to say, when you start the game, we are going to set the clock to 10. Right? And then what we're going to do is we want to every second take 1 second off the clock. So I'm going to go to control and I'm going to say repeat. Now I'm going to make it a 10. Let's see what happens there. I'm going to repeat 10 times the instruction to, first of all, I'm going to change the clock by -1. Now if I run this very quickly, you'll see, look at that, do you see, watch the clock. I'm going to stop that, watch the clock very quickly. Focus on the clock. Are you watching the clock? If you're not paying attention, it's not going to work. Watch the clock. You see that? Went boom, all the way down very quickly, because I have to give the instruction to wait for 1 second. So in control, we're going to wait 1 second. Now, think about the order here. Watch the clock. It went to 9 straight away. Because the instruction says change the clock by -1, then wait a second. Logic says maybe we should have had it the other way around. So it starts on 10, 9, and down it goes. And let's see what happens at 9. So what I want to do is stop everything. Let's run that clock again now. I'm going to start shooting parrots. Oh gosh, I'm out of time. I'm deliberately going to do them actually. Game stopped. Can't play anymore. I scored 18. I run out of time. Might be nice to put the message up there. Game over. Okay. I think what we'll do is on. No, not on here. What am I doing? Let's go back to the stage. Stupid man. Oh no! What I wanted to do was put a message up at the end just before that saying stop all. Can I do that? I've got a feeling I can't, because I've got to attach to a sprite. Let's have a look. We want the say command. I wonder if we can do broadcast. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, damn. I need to attach it to a sprite. Oh look, we're not going to bother with game over. I'll tell you what, I've only just started using Scratch, to be honest with you. This is the first thing I've done. I don't know how to do it. Why don't you see if you can solve the problem as an extension task? What command would you need in there before it says stop all to get the message up on the screen? Game over. Off you go.